We're here with Kara Kendall, the author of the book Organizing Your Home. And I'm really excited to be having this conversation because we're going to learn how you go from clutter and back. So please help me welcome Kara Kendall. How are you
Thank
today?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm very good. So, one of the things that I love, and I used to use OneNote for all my notes, and I switched over to Google Keep for this reason. If you're not familiar with Google Keep is absolutely free. It's part of the Chrome. And if you go to your Google Keep, there's a little tiny keypad up in the corner and it has
Mhm.
nine little dots. And if you click on those nine little dots, it opens up a window and it has all the Google products in it. And in the Google products, there's a little tiny yellow app with a little light bulb on it. That light bulb is Google Keep. Here's why I like it. I can write notes on a legal pad and I can take a picture with my smartphone and it will go straight to my Google Keep and it translates it all into text like it types it up for me. And I'm like, whoa, that's nice. And
That's
so
excellent.
instead of me trying to retype it now into my computer or into my notes or hitting the voice recorder and trying to record those by hand, if I have made some notes, I can take a snapshot with my camera and immediately it will go to the Google Keep. Here's where it gets exciting. With the bottom of the Google Keep, there are three dots, those three little dots where you can like do stuff. One of those is you can add checkboxes to it. So imagine I need a grocery list. Instead of making a grocery list on my legal pad, I can make a grocery list right on Google Keep, or I can make it on a legal pad, take a picture of it, and it goes to Google Keep. Then I can turn it into checkboxes. With the checkboxes, if I check it off, it doesn't erase it, it sends it to the bottom of the page. Then, if I ever want to use that same checklist again, I uncheck it and it goes back up to the top of the list. So imagine my grocery list. Check this out. This is so cool. My grocery list has all the things we normally eat. And
Mhm,
as I want to send my husband to the store, I add his email to the bottom of the checklist and it
mhm.
automatically shares it to his Google. So now it's on his phone. So instead of him texting me saying, "Hey, I'm at the store. Do we need anything?" He can open up the file and we call it groceries. So he opens up the
Mhm.
groceries file and it has all the things we need bananas, eggs, whatever, all the way down the list. And as he puts them in his cart, he checks them off the list. So I don't need to micromanage. I don't need to wonder, did he buy them while he was at the store? I open the file and I look at all this stuff that's checked off and I'm like, I guess that's what we have.
He
And
got
so,
it.
yeah. And then if we run out, let's say he's at work and I used up all the last of the eggs, I go to the checklist and I uncheck it and it goes back up to the top again. So now next time he's out grocery shopping, he looks at the list, he's, oh, I guess we need eggs again. So it saves us from all this back and forth. Oh, I forgot to get this at the grocery. Do we need this at the grocery? And it's all right there. And I
I'm
love
gonna
it for
have to
that
use
reason.
this.
Here's the really cool part. It also lets you do hyperlinks. If I was going to buy something specific and maybe there's a coupon online, I can either
Mhm,
take a picture and you can add pictures to the Google Keep file, or I can link to the discount. Let's say, for example, they had price matching. And
mm.
what is that website where they're doing price matching? I can link it right there. So he gets to the counter and he says, "Hey, I would like to have you price match this." And they're like, "Oh, show us the price match." He clicks one link and boom, you're on the
And he's
website
there.
with that. Yeah, it's right there. So I love the Google Keep file for that thing. And once I discovered it, I was like, oh, wait a second. I can't go back to a regular checklist.
No,
So,
I can
but
see
it,
that. That's wonderful. I'm gonna try it.
but it's absolutely free. And the cool part about it is because it's part of Google, it is
Mhm.
available on every device. You get it on your iPad, you got it on your computer, you got it on your smartphone. And so
Yeah.
whatever it is you're using, and then here's what's really cool. Here's what's really cool. Let's say, for example, that my husband is out of town and I'm on conference calls this week and I don't get to go shopping myself. I can hire somebody to do my shopping. I just add their email to the bottom and boom, they've got
And
my
send them the
checklist.
list.
And then when they check it off, I can just see, oh, look, these are all the things that they've checked off as they put them in their shopping cart. Okay, great. They picked up everything I need. Yay.
That's
it's,
great.
it's made delegating so
That
easy.
is amazing.
It's changed my life.
That's good organizing.
Thank you so much, Kara Kendall, for joining us. This
Thank
was
you for
nice.
having me. I've truly enjoyed the whole time.
Awesome. Thanks again. We'll talk to you guys soon.